Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to teach you step by step how you can change the view of your databases on Notion. So let us get you through this and show you how to do it. Head over to Notion, log into your account, select your workspace here in the top left. Let me go with this one here for demonstration purposes. And after that, here under Team Spaces, access here a database or page. Let me go with that database here. And what you want to do, guys, is pay attention to that information here. Under your database title, you will see the current view, which is table on default, table view of database. So to add a new view, simply click on the plus icon to the right and select one of these views here, like board, chart, list, timeline, calendar. So let me go, for example, with a timeline, and that is going to convert your database into a timeline. There you go. With these dates here at the top, we see the month, the days, and we see the items here, like for example 31st of August. And yeah, you may add as many views as you like, for example by clicking on this plus icon here and by selecting, I don't know, a chart, for example, and there you go. Now of course my database is almost empty, so you won't see any or not too many items here in these charts or views. But yeah, that's basically it. That's how you switch between these views here, as you can see on Notion. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.